So you've got a website and you want to sell your product or service. It used to be good enough to put up some text, throw in a few pictures, but not anymore. Now it's an absolute must. You've got to have video. Look at it this way. Everyone knows most people these days don't have the time, energy, or attention span to read a book, go to the gym, or cook a fresh meal from scratch. So why do we expect them to work really hard just for the privilege of buying a product? Put up a long-winded, excruciatingly detailed sales letter, like one of those you see plastered all over the web, and this is what is likely to happen. Click. Did you hear that click? That was the sound of your customer navigating away to one of your competitors, one who will give them what they want on a platter with no effort on their part. So, if people want their information in short bursts requiring no work from them, then what sort of sales pitch should you be giving them? The short answer? Video. No surprise there, that's how people consume their information these days, through engaging dialogue, spoken in a super persuasive way, with visuals to ram the message home. But is that the whole answer to getting people lined up to buy your product? Is that all you need to get them whipping out their credit cards to buy? Of course not. Here at SalesPerk, we know that everybody has a buy switch inside their brain. You need a sales video that addresses every buy instinct of the consumer, one that solves their problems, deals with their concerns, and presents your product as the ultimate satisfying solution. SalesPerk has come up with a sales technique that resonates deeply with your customers and flicks that buy switch on every time. We like to call it the Buy Instinct Engagement System. Click. Hear that click? That's the sound of your customer's brain going into buy mode after they've watched the persuasive sales video we craft especially for you. Are we the only people in the world that know how to trigger the buy brain? Well, this method is all our own, based on years of research and marketing experience. Though we know we're not the only people to make sales videos. But we also know something else. We are the only people who do it consistently, successfully, and with customer service to guide you through the entire process, keeping you in the loop on all important decisions. Unlike some other video creators, we will not leave you in the dark for weeks on end, wondering when your killer sales video will be ready. In fact, we offer a completely unique service where you can log in and check the progress of your video on our site and view what stage it's at. Pretty cool, huh? But that's not all. Not only can you check what we're up to, you can also get involved in making choices about how your video comes out. Not sure whether the video colors will match your website? Log in and choose the ones you prefer. Want a South African belle to do your voiceover? You can customize that too. So long as you're not interfering with any of our buy brain triggers, you can have things just how you like them. We'll use our Buy Instinct Engagement System to customize your sales video and maximize your profits. In fact, we're positive our video will skyrocket your sales. Just think, more visitors actively engaged, staying on your site, actually taking in your full sales message in the right frame of mind to buy. So what's next? Two choices. You could always do it yourself and spend ages writing sales copy, tracking down freelancers to make your video or do your voiceover, or even make a cookie-cutter video yourself using one of those online photo slideshow creators. But there are better ways to spend your time. Why not cut the whole process down to a matter of minutes and let SalesPerk do all the hard work for you? Just go ahead and click the Start Now button to take that first step towards making your website a converting machine. We provide you with a couple of questions that you can use to explain your product or service. We also provide you with your own account area of the site, where you can clarify what should go in your video, choose your colors, receive updates, share your logo, stock images, and anything else you'd like to go in your video. Then we produce the actual video and add in the magic. You don't have to worry what stage your video is at, what the script will look like, or how the voiceover will sound. We'll keep you posted on the progress so you can review everything and stay informed. At the end of the process, we'll deliver a complete sales video as a downloadable file that you can integrate into your website and start enjoying improved conversions. So here's what you get as part of the video: a custom-crafted sales script, a professional voiceover, well-timed strategic graphics that match your site, a royalty-free music track, a series of royalty-free stock images, and our very own Buy Instinct Engagement System technology. At $599, your SalesPerk video does not cost money. It makes money. It's a service that's been proven time and time again to radically improve sales. What other form of marketing costs so little and brings in so much? Just imagine what a massive boost in conversions could do for your profit margin and your lifestyle. And if it doesn't improve conversions, it won't cost you anything. Simply send us your analytics within 60 days of receiving your video, and we'll fully refund your purchase price. At SalesPerk, it's all about getting the right kind of click. The kind that says you have just made a sale, not lost a customer. Click the Start Now button to begin crafting your video.